Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we delve into groundbreaking research from China, where a skull analysis suggests that humans may be 1 million years old, originally lived in Asia, and could be linked to the mysterious dragon man species. Previous studies have suggested that humans first appeared in Africa 600,000 years ago, but the latest finding changes all that and pushes our origins back by 400,000 years. The Chinese skull Yongxian 2 was previously classified as being from the primitive human species Homo erectus. This species was a direct ancestor of modern humans and the first to walk fully upright. It is also believed to be the first human species to have left Africa. The fossilized cranium was found badly crushed in Hubei, China in 1990. Homo erectus has long been seen as a direct ancestor of modern humans. Professor Chris Stringer, an anthropologist and research leader in human evolution at the Natural History Museum in London, led the study as his team reanalyzed the skull. They created a model of the skull using CT scanning, light imaging, and virtual reconstruction techniques. Small anatomical elements were also incorporated from Yongxian 1, another crushed fossil found at the site in 1989. It showed that the skull likely belongs to a group called Homo longi, a species closely linked to Denisovans and that lived alongside our own ancestors. This makes the fossil the closest ever found linked to the split between modern humans and our closest relatives, the Neanderthals and Denisovans. Study author Chris Stringer, an anthropologist and research leader in human evolution at the Natural History Museum in London, said, "This changes a lot of thinking, because it suggests that by 1 million years ago, our ancestors had already split into distinct groups, pointing to a much earlier and more complex human evolutionary split than previously believed. It more or less doubles the time of origin of Homo sapiens." The reconstruction of the Yongxian 2 skull showed that it had primitive traits similar to Homo erectus, including a large, squat brain case, a strong brow ridge, and a more projecting lower face. But the features in the face and rear of the brain case, and a larger brain capacity, closely resemble Homo longi and Homo sapiens. This showed that Yongxian 2 is not a Homo erectus, but is an early member of the lineage with Homo longi and several other Chinese fossils being a part of it. Springer says that this discovery points to the possibility that our common ancestor, and maybe even the first Homo sapiens, lived in Western Asia rather than Africa. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned